What if I told you, your blender might be failing at the one job it has, crushing ice? We tested 20 top models with rock-solid frozen fruit, ice cubes, and even frozen yogurt, and the results will stun anyone who loves smoothies, margaritas, or fraps. One popular blender left chunks so big they could chip a tooth, while our number 3 turned ice into perfect snow-like powder in seconds. If you want bar-quality frozen drinks at home, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Ninja Professional Plus Blender. The Ninja Professional Plus Blender with Auto IQ is a powerful and versatile blender that can make perfectly crushed ice for smoothies, frozen drinks, and ice cream. With 1,400 peak watts of professional power and 3 preset Auto IQ programs, this blender takes the guesswork out of drink making. The 72 ounces total crushing pitcher is great for making large batches for the whole family. Additionally, it comes with a 15 recipe inspiration guide and is easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Number 2. Ninja Countertop Blender. The Ninja Countertop Blender features 2 conveniently sized jars, anti-spill splash guard, and an easy flip pour spout. The 2-cup processor can mince, dice, chop, blend and puree. The ergonomic operation with one-touch pulsing creates an easy-to-use and safe product. The containers, splash guards, blades and storage lids are all dishwasher safe. In addition, it is equipped with frozen blending and perfect, even chopping. Number 3. Ninja BL610 Professional Blender. The Ninja BL610 Professional Blender is a powerful and versatile countertop blender that can make perfect smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. With 1,000 watts of professional power, the blender can easily crush ice and blend tough ingredients. Its 72 ounces capacity is perfect for making drinks and smoothies for the entire family, while the included recipe guide provides inspiration for new recipes. The blender features total crushing technology and intelligent blades that can pulverize and crush any ingredient in seconds. Cleanup is effortless, thanks to its dishwasher-safe and BPA-free pitcher. Number 4. Ninja Compact Kitchen Blender. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ is a powerful countertop blender that features 3 versatile functions: blender, ice crusher, and food processor combined that utilizes 1,200 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. The stack blade assembly and high-performance Pro Extractor blades assembly powers through frozen ingredients and ice with ease. The food processing capability includes a 5-cup precision processor bowl, chopping and dough blade assembly for added versatility and functionality. It also comes with Auto IQ technology that takes the guesswork out of drink making with intelligent programs that combine unique time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns that do the work for you. The blender also comes with on-the-go convenience, where you can blend directly in the 18 ounces single-serve cup and attach a spout lid to take your creations on the go. Lastly, it includes a 15 recipe inspiration guide to help create delicious smoothies, frozen drinks, and more, and all BPA-free parts are easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender. The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a powerful and versatile countertop blender with 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel ice saber blades. It has 12 functions controlled by 5 simple buttons on the easy-to-read control panel, and comes with a 40-ounce glass jar, lid and removable blades that are all dishwasher safe. Customers have praised its performance, ease of use and cleaning, and its ability to make smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks and more. So, which blender will you trust to crush your next frozen masterpiece? Shake up the comments with your pick. If this frosty review saved your summer drinks, blend that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe, next week we're testing high-speed juicers. All our top picks are linked below. Stay cool!